Oh my god, I meet this truck again. These things are making a lot of dust on the road. Good morning once again. Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning. It's 7:50, about to 8 o'clock. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm taking you into yet another interesting video. As you can see, based on the location where I am. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share the video. And let's explore this place.
Hello everyone, my name is Nova Travels, a traveler from Uganda. I have set out on an epic cycling journey around Africa, starting with the East African countries all the way to the rest of Africa. Join me on my exploration journey where I document my experience through amazing landscapes, tackling challenges, and all the surprises along the way. Subscribe and hop on for this adventurous ride.
But can see some hills in the background. That side, a lot of activities going on here. Yep. So let's proceed now.
In my life, I've never traveled beyond my neighborhood, but with the urge to travel the whole world. Oh, far away from my residence, I looked for options, how I could travel beyond what I know. And now, see where I am. See where my bike has taken me.
Say goodbye to the Moram Road. I head to the Tarmac Road now. All right. I just finished exploring this small town called Kinoni. Yeah. Now this is the road to Ntungamo, to Rwanda. Yeah. It's a nice road with a lot of heavy trucks like this one. Yep. At the moment, let me first have breakfast because I'm also exhausted. Then we proceed with the journey. How are you? Rolex? Don't have Rolex. Let me check here. I'm going to check here. And two chapat. One chapat, two eggs. Okay. He's going to make for me a Rolex. As you know, Rolex here is very common. So I'm going to have it for breakfast. I'm making a YouTube video. Tomatoes I don't have. Okay, okay, go on, no problem. He's making for me a Rolex. So anytime from now, I'm going to have a breakfast in black one. Eggs.
Is for what? 4,000.
4,000. This is the first breakfast I'm going to have. The Rolex I bought. Just had breakfast under this mango tree, and you can see how the place looks like. So I've just rested for a few minutes. It's a roadside with some small business, but the place is so cool. Bye bye. Now it's time to face the remaining kilometers. Right, let's do this. flat, but there is a lot of wind. You can see how those trees are being pushed. That's how I'm also being pushed. It is so hard because the road is so flat. Headwind here is a problem. These are coffee farms. Oh, the whole place is occupied. Even across the road, it is the same. Right about now, I've reached the city. I've covered so far very few kilometers, and I still have the road in front of me, as you can see it. In the distance, here is a very big factory. Yeah, it's like and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Press that thumbs up button and share the videos to your colleagues.